Summer Stehr from Stehr & Sons. Sorry you couldn't make it here to the farm to see us in person. Miss Otto and I decided it'd be a good idea to have a virtual tour of everything we do here. Hope you like it.
Hello everyone! Thank you for joining me on our virtual field trip where we are going to be exploring the 500 acres of Stehr & Sons farmland where they grow and sell a wide variety of different fruits and vegetables. Here you can see rows and rows of apple trees. Here at Stehr & Sons, they grow about 20 different kinds of apples, such as Fuji, Gala, Red Delicious, Yellow Delicious, Macintosh, Honeycrisp, you name it, they've probably got it. Here's a closer look at one of the apple trees. Next you can see some strawberries and spring onions, rows and rows of spring onions. And lettuces such as romaine, red leaf, green leaf, kale. In their greenhouses, they grow herbs such as basil and parsley. Up next is the irrigation system. This machine runs water through tubes all throughout the farm in order to water these rows and rows of fruits and vegetables. Every Thursday and Friday from 8 to 5 and Saturdays from 8 to 4, they have their own farmers market right here in Pittman, Pennsylvania. On these days, customers can come here to the market at the farm and shop for homegrown produce or produce that has been shipped in, maybe because it doesn't grow in Pennsylvania or because it hasn't been grown here at the farm yet. Here are some things that you can buy when you visit: spaghetti squash, potatoes, sweet potatoes, red beets, ginger and garlic, small potatoes, cherry tomatoes, onions, sweet onions, cooking onions, tomatoes, tomatoes on the vine, cilantro, homegrown lettuces such as romaine, red leaf, green leaf, and kale, homegrown spring onions, zucchini and squash, baby carrots, red peppers, green peppers, broccoli, snap peas and snow peas, Brussels sprouts, radishes, tiny peppers, jalapenos, string beans, yellow beans, seedless cucumbers and regular cucumbers, carrots, celery, romaine hearts, heads of iceberg lettuce, basil, cremini mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, button, portobello. There's homegrown asparagus, heads of cabbage, bags of spinach, oranges, apples, green grapes and red grapes, bunches of bananas, pints of cherries, pineapples, quarts of strawberries and blueberries. There are raspberries and blackberries, Asian pears, mangoes, peaches, plums, avocados, pears, kiwi, nectarines, apricots, limes and lemons. And here are their very own homegrown strawberries. In the middle here you can see honeydew and cantaloupe. And most customers like to finish their trip with a large seedless watermelon. Here at the farm, there are a few other places you might like to visit. You can stop at the ice cream stand, where they serve vanilla, chocolate, and twist soft serve, as well as milkshakes, hard ice cream, and a bunch of specialty sundaes. Next to the ice cream stand, they sell fresh cut french fries and other hot foods. There is also a bakery where they make and sell so many goodies, such as donuts, pies, whoopie pies, cakes, sticky buns, and so much more. Each month they have a different festival where they invite vendors to come and sell their own products, such as crafts and jewelry. They have live music and a bunch of other fun things for you guys to do. In June, they have the Strawberry Festival. If you'd like to stay tuned and see when other festivals are going to be, you can follow them on Facebook at Kenny Stehr & Sons Farm, or you can visit their website, www.kennysterandsons.com. A big thank you goes out to the Stehrs and all of their friends and family for working with Achieve to create this virtual field trip, and also for all you guys do for our community. I hope you enjoyed going on this virtual field trip with me. I appreciate all of the hard work you put in to Achieve this school year, and I hope you have a wonderful summer.